Hi and hello everyone. Today we are going to present our group project, which is AI solution to address a critical challenge facing Malaysian education, which we are helping SPM graduates make informed decisions about their higher education path. Currently, Malaysian SPM students face a lot of challenge and also a lot of problems to further their study. One of them is decision paralysis, which is they are overwhelmed by a countless course and also a university options without a clear direction. And then poor course student matching, which is we can see a high dropout rates because of students choose course that don't align with their abilities and also don't align with their interests. The third one is limited personalization, which is the existing guidance system only focus on the student grades and they ignore the personality, the learning style and also the career aspiration of the students, and the student also will get confused on which course they need to take on university. Next one is a financial inefficiency, which is students frequently change their course in their halfway of studies, and then this will wasting their valuable time and also resources and also wasting their money. All of these problems can cost students, family and also institutions significantly. So we create an AI solution, which is AI powered guidance system that use a sophisticated two algorithms that approach to provide a comprehensive and personalized course recommendation to students. And then, unlike the current system that rely only a basic grade matching, but our system considers the complete student profile, academic performance, personality traits, their interests and also their career goals and financial factors to deliver a precise and actionable guidance. First algorithm is hybrid recommendation system, which is we combine the three powerful techniques. First one is collaborative filtering, which can analyze the successful pathway of similar students from the historical data, and then the content-based filtering that match the individual characteristic with the specific course requirements, and then the knowledge-based filtering that can incorporate expert counselor and proven the guidance principle. This hybrid can approach achieve over 85% of accuracy by eliminate the individual algorithm weaknesses. The second algorithm that we use is natural language processing. Using bird-based transformer models, we analyze the career aspiration description to extract the meaningful direction of indicators, and then this will process the personality assessment to identify the behavioral patterns. So, our system will transform a post-SPM decision-making by providing the data-driven, personalized guidance that considers every aspect of student's profile, and then the result will be a better course student match, reduced dropout rates, improved career outcomes, and more efficient use of educational resources. We are not just helping students to choose their course, but we are helping them to choose the right path for their future success.
So next, I'm going to explain on how the proposed AI algorithms will solve the problem. Many Malaysian students struggle to choose the right course after SPM. Traditional counseling is very limited, subjective, and not scalable. This need for a data-driven, personalized, and scalable guidance system. Our AI-powered SPM course guidance system matches students to suitable courses based on their academic results, interests, career goals, and their financial considerations. Our SPM course guidance use hybrid recommendation system. So how does this algorithm use and how does it works? Basically, this algorithm use collaborative filtering that will recommend based on similar student success. Next, we use content-based filtering that matches student profile with their course attributes. And last, the algorithm also use knowledge-based that will uses expert rules. For example, if they are strong in maths, the system will conclude that they are suitable for course engineering. This will lead to the outcome of accurate, personalized, and explainable course recommendations. So we also use NLP and sentiment analysis. The algorithm used in the bird-based transformer, which is an NLP model that will analyzes the student inputs such as their dream job descriptions, short essays on their interests, and their psychometric answers. The benefits of this algorithm is in detecting emotion, intention, and patience of the students, recommends based on student tone and their deeper meaning, and also flags uncertainty or stress for additional support. Our proposed AI not just solving the problem but also give a very meaningful impact. It is deeply personalized guidance, it addresses student confusion and mismatches, it supports educators and reduces manual counseling workload, and also very important, it is scalable and empathetic solution for post-SPM decision making.
Hi, my name is Yeshna Sivalingam. My matrix number is 224330. So today I'll be explaining the suitability of the two AI algorithms used in our project and which one works better for our system. So first, we use the hybrid recommendation system, which is the core engine behind our course matching. It processes structured data like SPM results, skills, location, and financial background. It's highly accurate, transparent, and scalable. Most importantly, it solves issues like cold start problems and avoids giving generate one size fits all recommendations. Next, the second algorithm is BERT, a transformer based NLP model. It handles unstructured inputs like essays, psychometric responses, and personal aspirations. What makes BERT unique is its ability to detect emotional tone and context. It transforms human factors like interest and motivation into structured data, which helps personalize the final output. So, which one is better? The hybrid is stronger at generating ranked and explainable course suggestions, which is the main goal of our system. But on the other hand, is great at interpreting emotions and intent, making the result more personal and relevant. In conclusion, both are important, but the hybrid recommendation system is better overall because it directly generates the course suggestions. So now I'm going to talk about how the AI algorithms we used in our project can be applied across different industries. So first, the hybrid recommendation system is ideal for industries that rely on structured data and personalization. For example, in e-commerce it suggests product and promotion based on user behavior. In recruitment, it helps match candidates to job roles. It's also used in healthcare for recommending treatments and in finance for credit and investment scoring. Next, we have the BERT-based NLP model, which is great for analyzing unstructured text and understanding human input. It's used in customer service to power emotion-aware chatbots, in marketing to analyze social media sentiment, and in healthcare for interpreting mental health indicators or clinical notes. In the legal field, it helps classify and summarize documents. When combined, both algorithms support smart platforms. For instance, in e-learning, they create personalized course paths while tracking motivation. In HR system, they match skills with personality fit. And in finance, they offer smart advice based on behavior. So overall, these AI models go far beyond education and together, they can power intelligent, user-focused system in nearly any field. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So right now I will be presenting about the justification for choosing AI algorithm. So as a why the chosen AI algorithms are more suited for the problem compared to other alternative. So for our first algorithm, which is hybrid recommendation, we use collaborative filtering, class content-based filtering, class knowledge-based rules. So why is it better than traditional method? So firstly, we have traditional methods such as collaborative filtering alone, which is a limit where it cannot recommend for new student with no prior data or cold start problem. So our advantage of using hybrid system is it's combined with content-based to handle new or unique profiles. Next, we have content-based filtering alone, which is the limitation it ignores pure outcomes and trends. And by using hybrid system, it will gain pure informed validation from collaborative filtering. And third, we have rule-based system alone. It limits where it was rigid, not adaptive, and generate advice. And meanwhile, hybrid system, it has expert knowledge in combined with AI-driven flexibility. So next is comparison between other alternative and hybrid system. So other alternatives such as neural collaborative filtering, which the limitation is requires large scale, high quality data and poor interpretability. So why hybrid recommended is better? So hybrid system perform well even with moderate data sets and provide explainable suggestion. That is clustering or K-means. So the limitation is the groups students into broad cluster, ignoring individual nuances, which is why we use hybrid because hybrid considers both individual similarity collaborative, and specific features, which is content-based. And third, we have classification models, which is such as RF or SVM, which limitation is the output is categorical, which often forces a one-size-fits-all answer. Meanwhile, hybrid generates rank multi-option recommendations with higher personalization. And let's say with alternatives such as matrix factorization alone, which doesn't include content metadata or expert rules. Meanwhile, hybrid integrates profile, content, and domain knowledge for robust decision making. And next is the benefits. So we use hybrid because it has high personalization,
It has balanced recommendation, explainability, which integrates expert logic, for example, strong in additional mathematics plus interest in problem solving, so you get actuarial science or engineering, and accuracy. So hybrid system in educational setting typically achieve 85% plus accuracy in course fit prediction. And lastly, scalability, which it continuously improve with more data and student feedback. So next is our next algorithm, which is NLP and sentiment analysis using transformer models, which we use BRIC or bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. So why is it better than traditional NLP methods? So the first traditional NLP methods such as TF or TF IDF or back of words, which limitation is cannot understand context and only word frequency. And for break captures full sentence and word meaning in context. So it's better than back of words. And next we have simple sentiment rules, which usually misses notion, sarcasm, or emotional depth, compared to break, where it detects subtle emotions and motivation levels. And lastly, predefined forms or multiple choice question (MCQs), which is restrictive and impersonal, while break allows personalized and free from expression. So what is comparison between other alternative and break system? So we have other alternatives such as RNN or STM, which is sequential processing limits efficiency and it makes context harder to retain in long text. And why BERT is better? Because BERT captures bidirectional context all at once, improving accuracy on long detailed inputs. And next, we have word to back or GLOV plus ML models. So the limitation is it only captures word level meaning, not sentence level intent, while BERT understands full sentence meaning and relationship between words. So the last alternative, we have GPT style transformers. So although it has excellent for generation, it doesn't optimize for classification or emotion detection. While BERT is pre-trained for understanding and classification tasks, which is ideal for expression or motivational analysis. So next is the benefits. Benefits of BERT. BERT have deep contextual understanding, which detects the meaning and sentiment behind a student's statements. It has emotional intelligence, which flags anxiety, doubt, or enthusiasm, which helpful for mental health and career motivation support. Next, it has multilingual flexibility, which is it adapt to Bahasa Malaysia or code mixed responses. And lastly, it has structured insight from unstructured inputs, which converts natural language into actionable student profile attributes.
This is how our website looks like. We can start here. As you can see, we can put our personal information like full name, age, and also our locations and preferred language for communications. And then we can put our SPM results. For example, Bahasa Melayu, English, Math, Science, and also History. We can choose our grade here. On this side, we can add another subject, which is elective subjects. For example, at Maths, we can choose our grade here. Physics. And next, we can choose our personality assessment, which the first one is work environment preference, learning style, and personality traits, which we can rate ourselves on this. Next, our career interest. For example, like I want to be a software engineer, and we can choose our preferred industry, work preference, and also our career growth priority. I choose for work-life balance. Next is financial background, which is family financial background. We can choose here education budget, financial preference, and also study location preference. So if we're done here, we can click this and they will suggest our course. So here my personalized result. This is my profile summary, and this is example of recommendations. For example, computer science in UTM, and this is the details of the course at UTM. And personality insights, market intelligence, financial planning, and also personalized next steps. So that's all.